To add water to Roborock S8, first of all, you will need to get this water tank, which should be included with the robot. It looks like this. Usually it will be inserted into your robot right here, so I'm just going to insert it briefly, so I will show you how to remove it. You just need to press on this button right here with the water tank and then pull it towards you to remove it. Now you can go and get a water. I would prefer to use filtered water so that you won't get any water stones in it and that will damage any valves. When we have that, we can open this clip right here and put all of the water inside. So it's a bit ugly and dirty. I bought it secondhand and I didn't clean it yet. So that's how you can add water. Then simply place it inside your robot like I did a second ago, and that way we've just added water to our robot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.